the Nuna Double Travel against the Jet Double. I'm Emilio from Bambi Baby, and I've been reviewing baby gear for over 30 years, and I'm here to help guide you down your shopping journey. If you'd like to see any of these products, click any of the links down below. The Nuna Double Travel opens very simply, and so does the Jet Double. On a side-by-side, open and close comparison, both of these strollers work extremely well. Lay down seats on the Travel Double, so it's newborn capable, will take 2 infants. It'll also take a car seat on the left-hand side, 60-40 seat. 1 second fold by just pulling the trigger, squeezing the button, and it folds down gravity fold. The Double Travel has a lot of storage down below, both rear and forward. The Jet Double is also wider on the left than it is on the right, but this is more like 55-45. It will take a car seat adapter, and this will carry Maxi Cozy compatible car seats. The stroller seats do lay down, also newborn capable, 30 inches wide, Disney approved. Basket capacity is quite large, unlike its traditional Jet partner. If you have any questions or comments about Jet Double or Travel Double, please leave it below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that little bell to be notified anytime I post a video like this. Feel free to call 877-882-2624 or email us at cs@bambibaby.com. To stay in the know, follow us on all of our other social media channels like Instagram and TikTok for daily content. If you're in New York or New Jersey, visit any one of our 4 locations. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more video content.